Now we want to multiply these rational polynomials. So multiplying is one of our favorite operations because you can just multiply straight across, but we also can look at factoring to make our job a little bit easier before we start. So I'm going to factor this first one, and I will get y plus 5 times y plus 5. That'd be the top one here. The denominator would factor to y plus 3 and y minus 3. Then over here, this factors with a common y. So I'll take a y there and go y plus 3. And then the denominator does not factor, so we'll leave it as y plus 5. Now, you don't have to factor, but if you don't, you're going to be multiplying this out, a trinomial times a binomial. It'll get really messy. You'll have y to the 4th. And I do want the most reduced form when you're done. So by factoring first, you can reduce it and save yourself some multiplying. Now, it is legal. If I had 4 over 3 times, let's say, 12 over 8, I can reduce up and down here like the 12 and the 8, but I can also reduce this way, like 12 and 3 goes in once, goes in 4 times, 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 8 twice. So my answer here, and then I can reduce again, 4 and 2, so my answer is 2. So again, you can reduce not only up and down in the fraction, but kitty corner when it comes to multiplying. So let's look over here. I have got a y plus 5 in the numerator here, and I also have a y plus 5 in this denominator, so I'll cancel those out. I've got a y plus 3 in this numerator and a y plus 3 in that denominator. So I am left with y plus 5 times y, because I'll multiply it across. There's my y plus 5 times y. And in the denominator, all I'm left with is y minus 3. Now, there is no simplifying. This shows me that, so you can leave it like that. You could multiply the numerator back out to get y squared plus 5y all over y minus 3. But either one will work.